We'll guide you through how to make negative effect in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create a negative effect that transforms video colors into an inverted, high-contrast style. This effect is popular for creative edits, cinematic scenes, and experimental visuals because it gives footage a unique, dramatic, and visually striking appearance that stands out. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow the tutorial smoothly without interruptions during the editing process. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen properly. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean workspace for editing your video. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings before starting the editing process. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm and apply the settings correctly. Next, click Import. Select the video you want to use, then click Open to add the file into the Media Library panel. Drag and drop the imported video into the timeline section so you can begin editing it directly. Select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and avoid any mismatch issues during editing. Adjust the video size and position in the preview window so the frame looks balanced and fits properly. After that, click the Effects menu to access the available visual effects in the software. Click the search bar, type Negative Effect, then press Enter to quickly find the related effect options. Once the results appear, select Reverse Negative from the list of available effects. Drag and drop it onto the video in the timeline if you want to apply it to the entire video. As an example, place it above the clip if you want to apply it only to the last half of the video. Next, you can adjust the hue. Here it is set to 100 to create a stronger color variation. After that, click the full screen icon to view your project more clearly without distractions. Go to the bottom left and click the play button to start the preview playback. See the result. The negative effect in Filmora is successful.